Alright YouTube, so I finished the system install this past weekend. Got everything finally done. I'm just going to go over it from front to back, show you guys what we got going on. This is in the 2500 Yukon XL. So up front we got the XS Power D3400. We got the Jim's Machine Works battery terminals. We got the 300 amp A&L fuse going to the Loadboss alternator, which I will say is worth the money. I paid, I think, like 150 bucks shipped for it. There was a coupon on eBay. It hasn't given me any problems, and I have not dipped under 13 volts at idle. So it's definitely doing its job. So everything's 2-aught welding cable from ACDC Welding Supply. Got that off eBay. Got the other A&L fuse going to the back. So I went through the grommet here. I was going to go under the truck, but you know, with the salt on the roads and all that shit, I was like, you know, let me just run it through. If I ended up doing a second run, I will I'll go ahead and run it under the car through the frame rail. So inside we got the Kenwood KVT single DIN flip out head unit, which I really like. It's really cool. You actually you buy USB-C on one side and HDMI on the other side, and your phone actually comes out on the screen. So it's pretty slick in that aspect. Got the unit in DFR7 up there. Working our way to the back. We got the Soundqubed S1-2250, and I do have it grounded to the seat right now. I'm going to drill some holes and run the grounds to the frame rails, but it was starting to get dark outside and I wanted to get this thing wrapped up, so we just went seat rails. It did just fine. Going to the back here, you got the two Soundqubed 15s. On the back around, seat down. We got the XS Power, second XS Power D3400, and inline fuse in and out from the battery. So, alright guys, let me know what you think. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Thanks for watching.